Hola, buenos días, ¿cómo están? Good morning, how are you? I hope you're enjoying this day. I want to send you a quick video so that you know where we're going to be meeting today virtually. So this is our page on Play-Doh. You go here to the left column where it says Doctora Zaragoza's Virtual Classroom, and you click here. Once you click here, then you click on Virtual Classroom Office, and then you click here on Join Session. Once you click here, you'll wait a couple of seconds. Please then unmute your microphone, unmute your video, share video, and then we'll be able to all see each other. I'm secure by CIT that we can have up to 100 people here. So for sure, we'll have all of us here. And then if you, again, have a picture or something you'd like to share, send it to me by email. And that way I'll be able to present it and put it on the screen. You can always, just show it like this as well, but it may not be as nice as sharing it from my computer into the screen. See you soon. Bye.